Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Microsoft 365 license and admin permissions so you can create Sharepoint sites immediately. Once confirmed, choose the right site type, communication for broad publishing, team for collaboration, because structure affects permissions and storage. Next, collect the essentials: site name, primary owner, member list, and a storage quota. Make sure to define key metadata fields now, since consistent tags make search and automation simpler. Begin the site creation flow in the SharePoint Admin Center and complete basic settings. Once the site exists, set up its structure. Create document libraries, lists, and content types to model your data. This improves governance and findability. Then configure navigation and hub connections so users discover content quickly. After that, assign permissions using owners, members, and visitors groups. Avoid breaking inheritance unless necessary. It reduces complexity. Also enable versioning and apply retention labels or policies to meet compliance. Finally, build metadata-driven views and start uploading representative content to validate the structure. To finish, add automation. Use Power Automate to create approval flows, notifications, and scheduled archiving so manual work drops. Then run a short training session and publish clear usage guidelines. Cover checkout, metadata entry, and sharing policies so adoption is smooth. Monitor site activity and storage with Site Analytics and the SharePoint admin reports, and adjust quotas or structure as needed. If something goes wrong, check permissions first, then library sync settings, and review versioning and retention rules to resolve common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.